What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Happy New Year when it comes. Happy New Year when it comes. Happy New Year when it comes. To all my viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Guys, Happy New Year when it comes. Today, a New Year's Eve. So what I want to say is Happy New Year to you all. All people, everybody. What I want to say is Happy New Year. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? All right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength pan the New Year Eves. And always, guys, remember, if you don't feel any pain at all, any pain, big, small, or little bit, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor if you have the money. If you come at your home, if you don't, go down at the doctor. Make somebody bring you down there. And guys, as always, remember if you do the wellness check. Check up on your friends, on your family, on each and everyone. Check up on them. Make sure them all right. Make sure them good. Because remember, mental health crisis is not a joke. It's no joke. Guys, before I go into this video, I want to say big up, enough respect to each and every one of you out there. I want to say thank you very much for stick with me throughout 2025, even though I'm not done yet. I want to say thank you now for ride the waves and the hills and the valley and the deep, all kind of sitting with me. 2026 I come, guys. Remember, a lot of new things, a lot of different things, a lot of information, a lot of good things coming out. Guys, also, I want to take the time out to say, Alicia Kim, big up your stomach. Yeah, man, big up your stomach. And what I said is, me see you shout me out. Thank you very much for you take the time out to shout me out for your videos. And listen what I say. You see me coming out, talking, defending you. I love in my heart for you and for every woman out there who have got through hell with man. Yeah, man, the love it in my heart for my mother. It branch off onto you guys who I got through hell with men. So what I say. So Alicia Kim, what I say to you is this. Me love how you operate. Me love how you do. And you go find many people not going like you because they have been in that same situation you was in and they did not come out like you. You come out of that situation moving forward and doing good for yourself. So many people not go like that. And we all see that and we all know that. And one other thing I want to say to you is congratulations upon your 150K subscriber. Remember me come out and me say make we give you a birthday present, what you call it, a child present for your newborn and for your new year and for your birthday. And my viewers and subscribers, hear what happened. Happy birthday coming up. Yeah, man, my birthday come up in a January. I don't know what me go do yet for my birthday yet, so me soon tell you now what me go do for my birthday. My viewers and subscribers, I want to say something. My viewers and subscribers, Rumram always say, he might call up people to the front of the line, front of the class and the front of everything. Rumram, where you there? Me have some question for you, Rumram. Me have some question for you. Come here. Rumram. You come out, you see, and you are defend Maki. against AK, aka Alicia Kim. But me want to ask you a question. Why were you really defending Maki against Alicia Kim? Rumram, I got a question for you ask. I got a few questions for you ask you. Cause my viewers and subscribers at the store me I go, but me couldn't stop. Me couldn't wait. But Rumram, me have a question to ask you. And me ask you if you can answer these questions. But me don't know if me I pronounce the name good. But Rumram, who is Eugene? Is it Eugene? Who is Eugene? Rumram, me did tell you say, my life is an open book. And when me learn about life, you see, when you have things out there that you don't want nobody to know about, what you do is you don't interfere with people. Correct? So what me I ask you is, Rumram, how old are you? You are what? 38 years old or older. All these are questions, you know. These are not me saying anything. I'm just asking questions. So Rumram, you're 38 years old? Yeah, 38, right? Or are you older? Just asking question, yeah? Rumram, what year did you born? 1987. Am I correct? Now, Rumram, you come out here and you blasting everybody and you're doing all kind of things. Now, why did you delete your social media pages that you have? Why did you delete them? Rumram, Eugene was born when? Did Eugene born? These are questions I'm asking you just to gather some information because apparently I don't know the information. So I want to know from you, where in Philadelphia do you and Eugene live? Huh. Where in Philadelphia you and Eugene lives? My viewers and subscribers, I am weighing my mind. This guy come out and he called me a thief, and he says that the federal is look fraud and all those kind of things he says about me. And I don't know if Rumram don't know that I don't play around when it come on to information, and I don't care who want to say what or who want to say when or who want go say nothing about me. But Rumram, I won't put any much information out there yet. But I go say this to you, and I'm asking these questions. Reason why I'm asking these questions is because I'm giving you information, letting you know what I know. Rumram, are you still using your @mail.com? Are you still using that phone that the number is, part of the number is 994? Do you still live on Washington Avenue? Do you still live on Washington Avenue? or you move. I'm not sure if you move, but I'm asking you, do you still live there? So I heard one time you use the word clarity, or is it charity? So the lady you're married to, her name is Clarity or Charity? Eugene. Let me say this to you. You wipe the internet of all your social media page. You and the lady that you're married to. I am wondering what you were hiding. Only when you hiding something, you would wipe the internet of what social media page you have on there. Now let me explain something to you. There's nothing you can do on the internet and say you wipe it clean. You cannot wipe it clean. Always remember there is people, there's things, there's ways to get around everything, and that's the reason why I said to people that I don't have anything to hide. I was a married man. And the lady I married to, that lady was 1 year older than me. 1 year. 1 year. Now let me ask you, how old is the person you either did marry to or married to is? Said up in no outfit fright now. Trouble again. Rumram 1987. That's when you're born, Rumram. Should I say allegedly? Huh? Should I say allegedly that's when you're born? 1987. But what year your wife was born? Hmm. Hey, Rumram, these are questions I'm asking, and I'm not going to say what year your wife allegedly was born. I'm going to keep that in my pocket. Because now I see the reason why you is against Alicia Kim. I see it. Now I see everything. Oh boy. Your wife have a business, yeah? And guess what? You saw a picture and you said she's your wife, but you couldn't see her face. So in other words is you show a picture of your wife, but you show a picture of her face hiding. Her hair was hiding her face. Why did you post that picture? Hold on. Your wife have a business, yeah, up in Philadelphia, yeah. Is that business still going? Is that business still good business? Is it still working? What is the name of the business? How you pronounce it? Jenny or Ginny? Gennie? Jana? Gen Care. My viewers and subscribers, right at this moment, I'm only asking some questions to Rumram the trucker. And the reason why I'm asking him these questions is for him to know that when it comes on to information, I don't play around when it comes on to information. And with all due respect, this lady have done me nothing wrong. Have done me not a hurtly thing wrong. So I will not, and I go say it again, I will not put her full information out there in this world. But for you, Rumram N Lane, you notice what I said? Rumram N Lane. I ain't gonna put the first name out there yet. I'm not going to put the first name out there as yet. Mr. Rumram. Now, Rumram, I have a question for you, see. Why me never see you outside of the truck? Eh? Why I never see you outside of the truck? What, you scared that people see that you're short? We all know that you're short. But the thing is, my viewers and subscribers, I don't want to say too much. So right now, I'm going to leave it right here. Because I'm asking Rumram some questions. And these questions are questions that I would like for him to answer. These questions are questions that I am letting him know that I know who he is. Some viewers and subscribers, let me fold up my little paper. I was coming outside, so I just write them down on a piece of paper to come outside with. But my viewers and subscribers, listen to what I'm saying here. It's a new year. I realize that Rumram and his colleagues now come up with some narrative about Narry of expect some farmer baby on the way, something of a sort. But you know what I want to say to you guys? Sit down and listen to what Narry bitter baby mama is saying. Then you go and you watch that video that Narry post. Because if you realize this man was trying to get his son to take care of his son, and the woman is giving him hell. If a man wants to take his son to take care of his son, why would you put up a barrier? Why would you put up a barrier from stopping? Listen to me now, man. A whole heap of woman out there right now stay that way, and then people out here is saying that man is a deadbeat dad when a man want to be in his kids' life, and many of these women out here fight down these men's. Many of them fight down this man, fight down men's, not only Narry, but fight down men who want to be in their kids' life. Many women out there is like that. For what? Just because you cannot. It's just like some woman. In other words, let me change that. It's just like some man who, if they cannot get sexual intercourse from the woman, they don't want to take care of them kids. So now you all see that Narry want to help take care of his kids, only to know that the woman trying to play hard end. All the man want is the passport to make the kid can travel to visit him in the US back and forth and so on. It would be good for the kid. It's good for the kid to able to travel. That's all the guy wanted at that specific time. But the woman playing hard and want something different. I don't know Narry personally. And me personally hope that Narry would take care of all the kids that they say he have, if he have them. Because I said something the other night. Somebody asked me a question about if Narry wife, because remember, they're still married. So we have to still say they're still married. But when you look at it and how people is operating, you can still marry and live with somebody different and have a different relationship. The relationship, your marriage is marriage on paper, but you're not physically love or interested. Your heart is not where that marriage paper, that ring is. Follow me, no man. Listen to what I'm saying to you all. Narry wife come out and talking a lot of things, but listen. Did you all hear or heard when she said that she and Narry have kids together? Did you all hear she say that? Let's be honest here. Did you all hear she said that? Or should I say, did she say that? So, and then you all hear Narry say the wife have a 2-year-old. Did he say the 2-year-old is his? Guys, these are questions that we have to ask. You have to ask before you all come out making videos. Now, let me say this. And how I'm going to say this is this. If you're with a man in a relationship, the relationship doesn't go as well, and you have any sense and you're going to move on in a relationship, because notice when Rumram asked her about relationship, you notice what she did? She never talk about the ex. She never said nothing about the ex. She go around it. So the question you all should be asking her, are you in a relationship? That's the question you all should be asking her. Are you in a relationship? But all you guys coming up with new narrative about Narry get girl pregnant and all these kind of things. My question really and truly is, Maki and Alicia Kim have a situation was going on. My question is really and truly, why is Narry a problem to each and every one of you? Jackie, cause me can't call her that name no more, you know. Me can't put ambitious. Me can't put ambitious where that name is concerned anymore. Because there is no ambitious and unscrupulous. Unscrupulous Jackie. That's what me go call you. Cause you say me a personal hygiene problem. Unscrupulous Jackie. How you come out to call Narry a disgrace? How? Why? But you know when me realize all of you five Mount Jealousy crew. Uno jealous of Alicia Kim because you all was in the problem just like what Alicia Kim was in. And all of you come out of it losing. And you all are hungry because Alicia Kim come out the winner. My viewers and subscribers, I really and truly don't really want to go down too deep right now in this video because guess what happened? I am going to the store because I have to get some things for these people. So I'm going to go to the store, get this thing for these people, run on to get these people things done, edit this video, post it up, get ready for ringing in the new year. I don't know how I go ringing in the new year yet. I don't know how I go ringing in the new year yet. I'm here ringing in the new year inside of my house, just in my house. I'm here ringing in the new year, we don't know. I'm here ringing in the new year outside. I don't know. But guys, listen to me I say. When it comes, Happy New Year when it comes. And I wish you all a mighty, glamorous, glorious New Year's when it comes. 2026. Guys, I was going to make a review for 2025. I still may make it. I may make it and post it another day, tomorrow or the day after. But guys, me have that are some question for Rumram the trucker. And that's for now. Anyway, stay blessed. I will see you soon. I'm out.